Roadmap to become a data analyst. Every company today runs on data. But data alone isn't useful until someone turns it into insights. That's where a data analyst comes in. A data analyst collects, processes, and analyzes data to help businesses make better decisions. From tracking sales to predicting trends, this role is everywhere. Data analysts are used in finance, healthcare, e-commerce, marketing, and tech companies. So, how do you get started? First, understand the basics of data. Learn what data is, types of data, and how it's used in business decisions. Next, learn Excel. It might sound simple, but Excel is one of the most powerful tools for data analysis. Learn formulas, pivot tables, and data visualization. Then move to SQL. This is a must-have skill. SQL helps you extract and manipulate data from databases. After that, learn a programming language, preferably Python. Use libraries like Pandas and NumPy for data analysis. Now comes data visualization. Learn tools like Power BI, Tableau, or even Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Because insights are only useful if they are easy to understand. Next, understand statistics basics. Learn concepts like mean, median, correlation, and probability. These help you make sense of data and draw accurate conclusions. As you grow, work with real datasets. Clean messy data, analyze trends, and create reports. Build projects like sales dashboards, customer analysis reports, business performance insights. These projects become your portfolio. You should also learn storytelling. A great data analyst doesn't just show numbers. They tell a story with data. But be ready for challenges. Data can be messy, incomplete, or confusing. You'll spend a lot of time cleaning and preparing it. That's why attention to detail is key. Think like a data analyst. Ask questions, explore patterns, and always look for insights. Because in the end, data is not just numbers, it's decisions waiting to be made. Start your journey today and become a data analyst, turning data into powerful business insights.